for part E, we want to revolve this region around the line y or x equals 9. Okay, and actually in part A, when we were calculating intersection points, we did see that this intersection point, I mean that gave us the upper limit of y equals 3, but we did also notice that when y was 3, x was going to be 9. So actually x equals 9 goes right through that intersection point, and we are revolving around that line. Okay, it's still a dy region. We're still, we still have x equals y plus 6 on the right side. We still have x equals y squared on the left side. So here's an arbitrary strip at an arbitrary y between 0 and 3. But this time we're taking the strip and revolving it around this line here. So the washer is going to look like this. Okay. The inner radius is actually going to be given by the red curve here. The outer radius is going to be given by the blue curve. Let's see, the inner radius is the distance from x equals 9 to x equals y plus 6. So it's going to be 9 minus y plus 6. In other words, 3 minus y. The outer radius is going to be 9 minus y squared, right? Because it's the distance between x equals 9 and x equals y squared. And that can't really be simplified. So we've got our inner and outer radius. The volume is going to be pi times the integral from 0 to 3, big R squared minus little r squared. And we have to multiply out both of those squares. We'd have 81 minus 18y squared plus y to the fourth from the first square. We'd have 9 minus 6y plus y squared from the second square. Now we need to distribute that minus sign and combine like terms. 81 minus 9 would be 72. Right? Yep. Minus 18y squared minus another y squared. Well, let's do let's do minus a minus 6y, so that's plus 6y. Then yeah, minus 18y squared minus another y squared would be minus 19y squared. And then finally you have the y to the fourth still there. Okay, so that's combining like terms. Now we can integrate. We'd have 72y plus 3y squared minus 19 thirds y cubed plus y to the fifth over 5. Evaluate it from 0 to 3. So 72 times 3 plus 3 times 3 squared minus 19 thirds times 3 cubed plus 3 to the fifth over 5. (603 over 5). So it's going to be 603 pi over 5.